Hi everyone, today I will teach you how to make soft and delicious red velvet cupcake recipe with just one egg. For this recipe we will sieve in 1 cup of flour with 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder and a pinch of salt. Give it a good mix and set aside. In another bowl, I'll be adding my wet ingredients, 1/4 cup of oil. I will sieve in 3/4 cup of powdered sugar. And with electric hand mixer, I will beat it for a minute or two. Here I've added 1 egg and a teaspoon of vanilla essence and mixing my batter till pale yellow. Now I'll be adding my food color. I've added 1 teaspoon of red food coloring. If you're using gel color, you can add just a few drops. Now we will set our wet batter aside and make our buttermilk. For our buttermilk, we'll need 1/2 cup of milk with 1 teaspoon of vinegar. Give it a good mix and our buttermilk is ready. Our buttermilk milk should be at room temperature. Set aside. Now in our wet batter, we're gonna add our dry ingredients in 2 batches with the buttermilk. And then I will add the second half of the ingredients and mix it till I don't see any flour. Don't over mix your batter. We don't want our cake to turn out hard. Our batter is perfectly ready. I've lined my cupcake liners in my cupcake pan and I'm just filling my cupcake liners halfway through because they still need some room to rise, so we don't want to fill it till the top. Give it a tap and bake it in a preheated oven for 30 to 35 minutes and our cupcakes are perfectly ready. Now we'll set the cupcakes aside till they're cooled down. Now we'll prepare our cream cheese frosting. For our cream cheese frosting, we will need 200 grams of cold cream cheese. With an electric beater, I will beat my cream cheese till stiff peaks form. Now I'm adding 1/4 cup of sugar with a teaspoon of vanilla essence and giving it a good mix. Here I've added 1/2 cup of cold whipped cream. Here I'm beating my cream cheese frosting till they form stiff peaks. Don't overbeat your frosting. Our cupcakes are completely cooled down. You can decorate your cupcakes as you like. Our cupcakes are perfectly ready. You can see how soft and spongy they are. I hope you liked my recipe. Please do give it a try and like, share and subscribe. Thank you.